Ready to launch your own meme coin into the stratosphere? Let's dive into creating one on Photon. First, navigate to the Photon website. You'll find a prominent Create Token button, usually located on the homepage or dashboard. Click on it to begin the token creation process. Next, you'll be presented with a token configuration form here. Carefully input your desired meme coin name, its symbol like Doge or SHIB, and the total initial supply of tokens. Consider what numbers will make your token appealing. This is crucial. Configure your tokenomics. Decide on any buy or sell tax fees. Set up your liquidity pool parameters, determining how much liquidity to add and the initial price. Don't forget to explore the anti-bot measures to protect your launch. Review all your settings one last time. Double check the name, symbol, supply, and tokenomics. Once you're absolutely sure, click the deploy button to initiate the smart contract deployment process on the blockchain. Now, you'll need to confirm the deployment transaction through your connected wallet, such as MetaMask. This will require a small gas fee to execute the smart contract. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Congratulations, your meme coin is now live. You'll receive the contract address, which is essential for listing on exchanges and tracking its performance. Copy and save it safely. The final step is promotion. Get your meme coin out there, engage with your community on social media, and consider listing it on decentralized exchanges to increase its visibility. Good luck.